N'izu gara aga anyị na-ebe a anyị mụrụ ọtụtụ ilu Igbo. Kedu onye ga-echetara anyị ilu ole nke mbụ anyị mụrụ n'izu gara aga? Last week, what proverbs did we look at? Kedu kwa na mbịa here ụbọchị niile? Oluchi. No, Igbo. Onye nwere gịnị?
Onye nwere ihe ọjọọ.
Onye nwere
ihe
ọjọọ aja. Gịnị ka ọ na-eme? Ọ gaghị ekwe ka agbara mee gịnị? Gbuo ya. Onye nwere ihe o ji achụ aja, mmadụ niile. Onye nwere
ihe ọjọọ.
Ọkwa ya ka m kwuru ugbu a. Onye nwere ihe o ji achụ aja. Taa ogene, today is what? Onye nwere ihe o ji achụ aja, mmadụ niile. Gịnị ka ọ na-eme? Ọ gaghị ekwe ka agbara gbuo ya. Ọkwa ya? Good. Ndị nọ na live, TikTok or YouTube, anyị na-anabata unu. We welcome you all. Ọ bụrụ na ị bụ nwafọ Igbo, ihe anyị na-eme ebe a bụ anyị na-akọwa ilu Igbo. Ilu niile anyị na-akọwa na ihe ọmụmụ anyị na-esite na ilu ndị anyị nwere na Omenka app. Biko ọ bụrụ na ịbata ebe a, anyị bụ nwafọ Igbo, metụrụ anyị aka na igwe eji ekwu okwu, metụrụ anyị aka na akara ịhụnanya, mee ka anyị mara na ị nọ ebe a, kọwatara anyị onwe gị, anyị ga-eji obiọma wee nabata gị. So this class is primarily if you are an Igbo born, a young person, you do not understand all of the Igbo without mixing it in English. We are trying to understand the Igbo proverbs, and I have continuously said that the Igbo proverbs, we use it to express wisdom. So oboni Igbo nwafọ Igbo, imai Ilu Igbo, you lose a lot of things. The elderly ones will speak to you in proverbs. And what happens to a person who doesn't understand the proverbs? What would they tell you? Ego ejilo nne ya mere gịnị furu ọhịa. Ya bụ onye mere gịnị, onye atụrụ ilu ma kọwara ya. That is to say that if a proverb is said to you, you did not understand it, and you required the proverb to be explained to you, it then means you lack home training. That is what happens. They indict your mom that they didn't train you well. All right. So if you join our class, please take your notebook and we are going to write. I get day here. Ihe anyị na-eme ebe a bụ ịchọ ka anyị ghọta ilu Igbo site na mkpụrụ okwu ndị mebere ilu ahụ. Ilu ọbụla bụ ahịrịokwu. Ilu ọbụla bụ gịnị? Gịnị bụ ahịrịokwu na Bekee? Gịnị bụ ahịrịokwu? Gịnị bụ ahịrịokwu? Sentence. Ahịrịokwu bụ gịnị? Write it down. Sentence bụ gịnị? Ahịrịokwu. Ahịrịokwu bụ gịnị? Sentence. So ilu ọbụla bụ ahịrịokwu. Ahịrịokwu. Okay, it's true. I should write it down. Ahịrịokwu. Mmadụ niile. Ahịrịokwu. Every proverb is a sentence and is a full sentence. Ilu ọbụla bụ ahịrịokwu. Ọ ahịrịokwu zuru oke. Okay? Ya bụ na anyị na-achọ ịghọta ilu site na ahịrịokwu ya, site na mkpụrụ okwu ndị mebere ahịrịokwu ahụ. Ọ ihe anyị na-eme ebe a. So if you are joining us on YouTube or on TikTok, please, if you need to participate, we would appreciate that. All right. So ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Kedu ilu nke abụọ anyị hụrụ n'izu gara aga? Ilu nke abụọ. Kedu ilu nke abụọ anyị mụrụ n'izu gara aga? You see, you people are not impressing me.
Miri bidonishi baro.
Mm-hmm. Mmiri bido n'isi mee gịnị? Mgbado ya na-eme gịnị? Mmiri bido n'isi gbarụọ, mgbado ya na-eme gịnị? Na-ara ahụ. Can we say it, everybody? And I can't hear you. Mmiri bido n'isi gbarụọ, mgbado ya na-ara ahụ. Gịnị ka ọ pụtara?
Something that flows from the top is hard to cleanse.
Something that flows from the top is hard to cleanse.
From the top, yeah.
Aluchi.
If something spoils or gets bad
From the head.
then the down was also
Yes.
bad.
Abona ihe mebie, Chidera.
What if the thing is good from the top?
Yeah. If it is good, so what this talks about, what did we say this proverb means? The implication, influence. So if you are a leader, you are at the top. If your behavior or character is good, is in the positive, it will flow down. Those that you are leading will follow your footsteps, right? So today, we all come from a country that is known for governments being corrupt. And also we know that several governments of different countries, especially when it comes to politics, are said to be corrupt. So people who work in government, most of the times when the government is corrupt, people who work in that government, they will have the tendency of doing corrupt things. And what are corrupt things? Stealing public money, stealing taxpayers' money. There's a word they call embezzlement. How many of you have heard it? When public money finds its way into your personal account, you are on the way to embezzling public money. Especially when you are in a position of power, position of influence, and all of that. So Yabona, that's some of the times an effect coming from the top, because maybe you know that your boss does it. So who is going to reprimand you? Who is going to get you hold you accountable? It is supposed to be your boss, who you know that does that. So Yamwa Maji say, if the head gets bad, it then means that the tail, quote and unquote, is going to most likely be influenced to be bad. Right? Yamwa ka ilu ahụ na-akọ. Ọ bụrụ na mmiri bido n'isi gbarụọ, mgbado ya na-ara ahụ, because it flows down and everybody catches the fever and it goes down that way because it's from the top. All right. Hamza Yusuf, Fat Matter, I welcome you all. The good spirit, Ndewono. All right. Kedu ilu nke ọzọ anyị lebara anya n'izu gara aga?
Egwuregwu nkịta bụ ibe ya dabe ya.
Ọlụchila anya na akwụkwọ gị. Egwuregwu nkịta bụ gịnị?
Egwuregwu nkịta bụ
So na ahụ ele anya na akwụ unu. Egwuregwu nkịta bụ gịnị? Chimemezuo. Chidera. Egwuregwu nkịta bụ gịnị?
rough play.
Egwuregwu nkịta bụ rough play. Chidire. Egwuregwu nkịta bụ gịnị? Ouch.
Egwuregwu nkịta bụ Odabe 1 year. 1 year dabe.
Oh, ya ka ị dere.
No. I wrote on the paper.
Someone is in.
Because if you're joining us, only na-eso anyị na TikTok or YouTube, ị bụrụ onye Igbo mee ka anyị mara, just kelee anyị n'olu Igbo. If you are an Igbo person and you don't understand a lot of Igbo, and we'll try to be mixing our language. Egwuregwu nkịta bụ onye daara ibe ya daara ya. Can we say it? You see, I'm saying it now. You are saying a different thing. Onye daara ibe ya. Ibe ya adara ya. Egwuregwu nkịta bụ mmadụ niile. Onye dara ibe ya. Ibe ya adara ya. Can we say it together? Egwuregwu nkịta bụ onye dara ibe ya. Ibe ya adara ya. Ọzọkwa.
Egwuregwu nkịta bụ
mmadụ niile. Ọzọkwa.
Egwuregwu nkịta bụ onye dara ibe ya dara ya.
Good. Anyị ghọtara ya? Egwuregwu nkịta bụ onye dara ibe ya adara ya. And ọkwa anyị ghọtakwara ihe o meaniri, ihe ọ pụtara kwa ya? Aha. So, you not probably, it's a fair play game or something, and dịka anyị kọwara ya n'izu gara aga, please, ọ dị mkpa ka unu na-ede ihe m dere etu m si dee ya, the sentence and the meaning of it as well. Okay. I must say to you that there's a lot of proverbs that are also very regional in Igbo. Okay, regional, dialectal. That is to say that there's a proverb that might be said in some place. An Igbo person from another place may not understand it because it is regional or dialectal. So some of that I might see as well. Okay. Kai le ilu anyị nke ụbọchị taa. Yeah, last week. Were ya na nara ha ndị dere ya na notu. Ha dere ya. Yeah, izu gara aga ka anyị mere n'ihe a. So nke taa tupu m ehicha ya, aga m make sure na onye ọbụla edetuola ya. I mean, while I've written since. Okay. Taa anyị ga-ele ilu nke mbụ nke ese onye na-arọ onye tọrọ ya anya. Onye na-arọ onye tọrọ ya anya. Ọ bụ naanị anya ka ọ na-ele ya. Onye na-arọ onye tọrọ ya anya, mmadụ niile. Onye na-arọ onye tọrọ ya anya. Ọ bụ naanị anya ka ọ na-ele ya. Ọ bụ naanị anya ka ọ na-ele ya. Onye na-arọ onye tọrọ ya anya. Ọ bụ naanị anya ka ọ na-ele ya. Danny, you're welcome. Thanks for joining us. Okay. Can we try to pick the words we know? I might how. Abanani onye ọ na-ele ya. Or him there.
No, yeah.
That means someone. That means someone who.
Let's start from.
He's saying to
Do
the
we-
of the words you know.
Do we identify all the words?
Yes.
Chidera.
Really, bro.
Is this one C or
It's so funny.
Elenka.
this one?
Nka.
No, this.
Nka.
Yes.
Le or e le. Le e in English.
Onye.
Onye. Ima onye. Okay, I am a onye. One. Na. I am an arrow.
Yeah.
Naro anya, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am a onye. Onye toro. I am a toro. Okay, I am a hanile. Anya. I am a obu. Mana nani, right?
Yeah.
Anya ka ọ na-ele ya. Okay. Ngwa. Ebe anyị ma mkpụrụ okwu ndị a niile, gịnị ka ilu a pụtara?
Someone who gives their elder dirty looks.
Dirty looks.
That's all they can do.
No, but
Yes.
yes.
It's only their eyes they can affect them with. They can't do anything to someone older than them. Is what
That you are telling us the meaning now. We're just trying to understand how can we like interpret it in English.
He's only seeing.
He's only looking at them. No, it's not.
He's only.
No,
Saying-
he's only looking at them.
Bro, he's saying the literal translation,
Yeah,
not the
I know.
meaning.
You're only
Even the literal translation you are going is wrong.
Yeah, but you're just wrong.
No, it's not.
Okay.
I'm telling you the explanation. You're saying something.
Asina, someone who is giving the elderly one a dirty look, right? Is only doing what? Looking at them. Is only moping at them.
He can't touch.
It can do what?
Touch.
It can touch them, right? That's what it means. Empty talk. Thanks for joining us, okay? Good. Onye naro, onye toro ya anya. Can we all say it?
Onye na-abụ onye tọrọ ya, ọ bụ
Onye toro ya gini?
anya.
Anya, you have to complete this sentence, okay? Onye naro, onye toro ya anya. Mmadụ niile.
Onye tọrọ ya anya.
Ọ bụ naanị anya ka ọ na-ele ya.
Ọ bụ naanị anya ka ọ na-ele ya.
And I'm glad we understand all the words that make up the sentence. So, what we have also transliterated or translated it into English to say that when a person is giving their elder a dirty look, is only looking at them. Ginewu iro anya, who can demonstrate iro anya n'Igbo? Who can demonstrate that? Yes, it's just iro anya.
Not like that.
So there's something we call iwakum. So when you want to show that you are giving a person a beef, these two things are usually employed. Iro anya na iwakum. And look at it. When you are doing this to an elderly person to you, that's the much you can do. That's what he's saying. That's the much you can do. You can't touch them like Chimji, Chiji, Chukunjika. My brain will connect it. Like Chukunjika said, you cannot touch them. So ilu na-akọwa na onye ọbụla kwesịrị ịma. Let me borrow the English word, level, yeah? Okay? So you should know your limits. You should be able to know who you can compete with, or who you can like challenge. Now, this could apply to physical, this could apply to other aspects of relationship. But what it's saying is that it is important for us to understand our limits. Do not do more than you can carry. Do not chew more than you can. Do not bite more than you can chew. Do not put your hand where your hand cannot reach. Do not hang your coat where your hand cannot reach. Much of what I'm saying is translating from Igbo to English, English to Igbo, something like that. So onye na-aro onye odimma, not as if you don't have the right to be angry at your elderly one, right? Whether it's elderly one in the family or senior in the school or any other place you have a relationship with people, you know, not as if you don't have the right to be angry. But the Igbo people are saying, when you have that right and you're exercising that right to be angry at an elderly person, know that your right has limits, because this person literally, except in rare occasions, naturally, an elderly person should be able to defeat, okay, in terms of physical expression of whatever, the younger one. So when you are exercising that right, expressing it towards that person, you know that you may not be able to touch them, but they can, because they are older, because they have spent more years in this life than you. Okay? There's a music where we hear this proverb almost all the time, even though they said it in dialects. That's one of our favorite songs here. There's a song that this proverb starts. Who can tell me? Ijele, Gedege.
No, I'm just saying.
You know, right? Have you heard it before?
Yeah, my mom.
Ijele. Egedege. Okay, you all know it, right? Teresa Onoha. Let's see. Let's listen to the beginning. Get here. Oh, that's the end of it. That's the end. Let me see. Listen. On ekili. Pete dochie. Onye ọbụla na-alụ onye kalili ya anya, ọ na-ekili. So he said it in Anambra dialect. Okay? All right. Onye na-arọ onye tọrọ ya anya, ọ bụ naanị anya ka ọ na-ele ya. Okay. Unu edego ya? All right. King, you are welcome. Jen, ndewo. Thanks for joining us. Ọ bụ na ịbụ onye Igbo, metụrụ anyị aka n'akara ịhụnanya, ọ bụ na ihe anyị na-eme ebe a masịrị gị. Ilu nke abụọ anyị ga-eleba anya. I'm glad we know this. We don't have any much problem with it. Ilu nke abụọ anyị ga-eleba anya taa bụ nke si akụbie. I'm going to put this empty. Onye ntị ana-agba. One of the shortest ilu enwere n'Igbo.
Get it with the brackets.
Get it with the bracket.
Yeah, get it.
That bracket anaghị efilie up most times. a na-ahapụ ya otu ahụ mana the bracket ihe ọ ga-enwe bụ akụbie egwu ma ọ bụ nkwa the way we say it onye ntị a na-agba akụbie egwu onye ntị a na-agba. This is a very simple proverb. Akụbie onye ntị a na-agba. All right. Kedu mkpụrụ okwu ndị anyị ghọtara ebe a? Must you pick your hair when you come to this class? Has it become a tradition?
Isn't Kubi like hit off or knock off? Isn't Kubi like knock off?
Knock off? No. Oh, sorry. This is akubie. Sorry. Akubie, I'll let you.
Is it like to cut off a part of something?
To cut off
What's the difference?
Yeah.
a part of something.
What's the difference?
Knock off.
All right. Akubie. Kedu ihe anyị si n'ọwụ? Nwada Sale ndewo. Nwada Sale Mwanya. Chai. Nwada na-eri ukwu anụ. Ndewo. Akubie onye ntị a na-agba. Kedu ihe anyị ghọtara? Kedu mkpụrụ?
Play drums.
When
You play drums.
play drums. Okay, no. First of all, the way to go is kedu mkpụrụ okwu ndị anyị ghọtara n'ilu a? Onye ntị. Okay. Onye ntị.
Anaba.
Egwu. Nkwa, right? Anaba. Chidera, anagba. Ekube. What does it mean?
Clapping.
No.
Jamming.
Imatara hit. Yeah, but that's not the fullness of the meaning. Akubie. Hitting drums, you are close. Hit, you are close. Beat, you are close.
Hit something.
Hit something close. But that's not what the word means.
Yeah. Can you tell us?
What a silent there. All right. Akubie. Kubie means to stop playing, stop beating, stop hitting the drum, stop playing music. Cool. Ginewo. How do you play music? Gine ka Iku egwu. Ọ na-akụ egwu. Ị na-akụ egwu na phone gị. Okay, ị na-ege egwu. Ị na-akụ drum. So, how do you stop playing? Stop beating. Bie. What is bie? Stop.
What about that's when we were thinking ikubie, like to overplay. How would you say like to
Overplay.
the drums?
Overplay. Ku fe. Fe. Ku fe. Ku bie. Bie is stop. What is this sign?
Stop.
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 This is stop. Okay? Or some people say like this. Even though this has another deeper meaning. Okay. Right. So go bie. Whenever bie is in a sentence, all to stop. Now, just like Bobro thought, because this could be what? What is this?
To hit.
To stop.
To stop. Yeah.
Stop what?
Beating.
This one now?
Kubie. Oh, ikubie.
Kubie.
To knock off or cut off.
Kubie. I can't tell you.
No.
Kubie.
Kubie. This is ko-bie. This is ku-bie.
So when you're talking fast, how will people identify the difference?
All right, so look at it. Iku.
Now
Ku.
here.
Wait,
Ku.
is it fetch?
No.
Kubie.
Bie.
Take.
Kubie.
No.
Collect.
No.
Wait, is it
Give.
How do you say to breathe in Igbo?
To breathe?
Yeah.
Ikume.
Ikume. Ọ na-eku ume.
So you stop breathing?
But how do you say if the person is pregnant?
Pregnant is
It's
different.
not ime.
No, it's you. She don't write well on man. Ikume. That is to breathe, right? So when someone when someone is breathing, you guys say again, ọ na-eku ume. right? So okusi kume, what will we say? When somebody gives up the ghost, ona ekume, okusili kume, which is okubiela ume.
Wait, is this Imo State Igbo?
It's Igbo. It's standard Igbo.
No. Because I know if someone is there, we say all wanna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not stupid. I just don't know these.
Oh my God.
Is it like
Okay.
modern Igbo?
All right, come jogging. Are there many ways you can say somebody has died in English?
Yeah.
Like
The person is dead.
Kick the
Dead.
Of the ghost.
kick the bucket, giving up the ghost,
It's not breathing.
not breathing.
And
Pass
gone to
on.
the afterlife.
Good. How many? Almost 10.
He has met the ancestors.
Beautiful. When you are making it look good, right?
Yeah.
So there are several different ways we say things in Igbo.
Who were the people that told you?
Some of them, no doubt, may come from dialects. Chidera, Chidera. So, Nina Sina Mother Anwola. Must we say it that way? How about other beautiful ways we can say that Mother Anwola without saying Noya Anwola?
Beautiful.
Can you keep your phone?
He has passed away.
When you add euphemism, when you use euphemistic means to communicate, it's like quote and unquote beautiful, because you don't want to present the worst case scenario. When somebody passes on, oh, he's passed on, is a softer way, is a beautiful way, quote and unquote, of saying that somebody has died without you saying that the person has died. So n'asụsụ Igbo, anyị nwere ụzọ dị iche iche anyị na-eji akọwa ihe, anyị na-eji ekwu otu ihe, which some of them might be borrowed or lifted from the dialects, but they are acceptable and usable in the standard Igbo. So ku bie, which is different from ku bie, okay? We have ekwu today, but aku bie, right? All right. I had to print this picture for us to have.
Okay, so what does it mean?
Kubie.
No, like the.
Nka ilu. Anyị na-abịa n'ilu ahụ. Ya bụ na ilu anyị si, unu na-akpa nkata that I don't like. Akubie onye ntị ada agba. Now we have understood kubie, right? Which is what? Stop playing or stop beating. We say we understand onye ntị. Who is onye ntị? A deaf person. Onye ntị.
Wait, I thought like Oniente is like.
Someone with ears.
Yeah. Okay. What type of Igbo?
You know how I know?
Who is a deaf person? Oluchi,
Yeah.
what have you heard how Igbo people call a deaf person?
Yeah.
No. We have a name for Onyanaya Anonti. So when you say Onyanaya Anonti, is a descriptive name. You are explaining, you are describing. But Igbo na Onyanaya Anonti gene Onyente. That's what it is.
So onye na
It's like someone, yes.
onye
Okay.
So the problem you, my students, have is that you are thinking in English and now translating it into Igbo. It's okay. That's why we're doing this class. Because we want to get you to begin to think in Igbo. Think some things in Igbo. Even some of us, a lot of us adults, think in English. Because that is the problem colonialism brought to us. So many of us went to school learning English alone and either coming as an adult, as adults, embracing Igbo, at the end of the day, or even so many of us who went to school where if you speak Igbo language, they will flog you or punish you or something like that. So people will start thinking in the other language. So that now made it to look like Igbo language does not have some of the expressions English has. No, it does. It does. So Onyentu is a name. Whereby you guys Onyanaya Anonti is a descriptive name. It's a description. A person who does not hear, is that how you call a deaf in English? No. Onyanaya Anonti potara, a person who does not hear. But a deaf potara what? Onyente. A mute person, a person who cannot speak, is what? Onye obi. Obi. Mabu obu. Some say it's obi, some say obi. Obu. Okay. So we have one word for it, or rather one name for it. Right. Akubie onye nti na-eme gịnị? Anagba. What is anagba?
Dancing.
Continue to dance. Continues to dance. What does that mean?
They won't hear the music.
So when the music stops, what happens?
The dead person
Continues to dance. When a dead person comes to the stage and be dancing because other people are dancing, when the music stops, they will not immediately know. They can continue to dance for a few seconds before they realize that other people have stopped dancing and they will stop. Okay? But let's assume that a deaf person is dancing and they got so carried away by the dance and they close their eyes and be dancing. What will happen? When the music stops, they will continue to dance. Akubie onyenti anagba nwada sale ndewo aderege na mma. All right. What does that tell us? This proverb is saying. Kedu ihe ilu a na-akọwa? Ugbu a ya amatala the words in the proverb. Now, what is he saying?
If there's trouble and the person is not aware, he or she will not run.
If there is trouble and the person is not aware, the person will not run. A beautiful way of seeing it. Yes, Chidera. Oluchi, thank you. Chidera.
it says that if the it says that if a dead person is knowing if the music is playing,
You are using it literally now, Chidera. You know, the literal is when you try to explain the proverbs by the words that it contains. Okay? Like saying a deaf person. So the explanation now is not primarily talking about a deaf person. The real meaning of the proverb, that's what we're now looking at. Nkọwa.
it's saying that if it's like if God is coming,
You will not know. Oluchi, you give us an answer which is, I think, is a perspective. Maybe I'm not.
Someone unaware of their surroundings cannot. What's it called?
Someone who does what?
Someone
Unaware of their surrounding can run into trouble, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's another good way of seeing it.
I don't want to say.
And what is this saying? The person should do. You should be aware of your surroundings. And now, do you know the shortest, smoothest
Reset your system.
way of carrying the proverb into English? Know when to run, when to stop, when to pause,
Beware.
when to move.
No, beware is better.
Good. No, I'm saying this because there's a saying that is in the music. I think it's either Bob Marley that said, oh no, it's a country music.
Isn't it Asa?
Know when to run.
No.
No,
Have you heard Fire on the Mountain?
No, it's not Fire on the Mountain.
But have you heard it?
I'm not sure.
Yes. There is fire on the mountain.
Aha, onye na-eruru isi anaghị ege ntị nata ndụmọdụ mgbe e nyere ya. That is what it also applies. If a person does not listen, if a person is stubborn, kedu ihe na-achọ? The person, okay, there's another thing. Geenụ ntị. There's another expression that Nigerians use, and that is in Pidgin. How many of you know Pidgin? You need to start learning Pidgin, okay? Good. And I will say this Pidgin to you now.
I say English now. I'll say it.
Let me just say this. Let me know if you're gonna understand it. Fly will not get legal advice that they follow dead body enter grave.
Wait, fly?
Fly when no get legal advice that they follow dead body enter grave.
If a fly doesn't
Oh,
get
oh,
legal
oh,
advice,
I know.
they'll die.
No,
Fly does not have
a fly
someone
doesn't have brains, so
Follow the
when the
body.
body is dead, it's just following the body into the grave.
Good.
Yeah.
They're like,
A
Oh.
hungry man is a hungry man.
No. We don't enter pigeon
Legal
now.
advice.
Someone,
Yes.
what?
someone
Is that?
someone who
Oh, you think you're funny.
follows
You
some.
think you're funny.
And
A
look
fly
at
is
the
just
end.
advocating for itself.
A fly is naturally dumb and no one can advise it, so you just follow the dead body into a grave.
Well, so yes.
It's
No.
too stupid to function.
No, there are two things. That is either absence of advice or you are advised and you didn't listen. You didn't take. So when you are advised and you didn't take, what happens? The person hits some rock on the way. So if a fly does not advise herself and the fly does not get an advisor, what will happen? They will bury the fly with a dead body.
Oh, you don't need to bury the fly.
Yeah,
it
isn't
will
it-
bury itself.
No, what I'm saying is that because the fly is smelling something,
And like food.
the dead body, and the fly doesn't know that burial is already happening for the dead body, that covering the sand. So the fly will still be perching on the dead body and they will cover the sand.
Oh.
That's what it means.
Isn't the ground where it wants to be though?
Huh?
Because it can patch on the body in the ground, lay maggots, and they'll come out of the ground. Like the
No,
ground,
because see, what this means is understanding the times.
like week or two without oxygen.
Understand your time, and like he said, be aware of your environment. Whatever you do in life, what should you do? Be aware. Unu bụ ụmụ afọ Igbo, ụmụ Igbo na-ama ihe. Be smart. Be conscious. Yes. Be conscious of your environment. Akụbie onye ntị anaghị agba pụtara na onye a anaghị anụ ihe. Not necessarily na ọ naghị anụ ntị. Even though now we use it as an expression in Igbo, ị naghị anụ ntị. That means you're what?
Not listening.
You're heady. You're stubborn. You are not listening.
You're naughty.
Yes, you understand. When a person inahanunti means you are heady, you are stubborn, you do not obey instructions. Okay? Why Chochegi? I hope you are writing. I don't understand what you're doing today. So when you cannot follow instructions, you all getting there, man. All getting. We're alive. When you cannot follow instructions, what happens? The person ends up making mistakes in life. And some of them might be mistakes that may not be corrected. When you are warned, instructed, begged, stop doing what you are doing. You need to listen, especially when that instruction, advice, or whatever is coming from your parents or coming from the elderly ones, people who have been there before you. They tell you, hey, this way you are going, there's no road. Even though you think is juicy, is sweet and all of that, stop or take it easy and all of that. So it means that you need to know when the heat is on. If you must follow the heat, also be aware that the heat might soon drop and it will change. It also means you need to be dynamic. Know when to move around with the flow of the trend or whatever that is going on. Do not continue to. You can't stop. Some people know how to move, don't know how to stop. Some people know how to run, they don't know how to stop. Whatever they have heard, they fill their head with it. You continue. Sometimes the word is not straight. Neither is it straightforward. Ọtụtụ ihe na-eme n'ụwa na-egosi anyị na ụwa na-agbanwe agbanwe. So when you are smart, you know when things have changed. Some people na-ere ahịa na Lagos, na Nigeria, okay? And when they na-ere ahịa, there was a time fairly used electronics was reigning. Electronics everywhere, fairly used, they were imported. So people went into that market, it was giving them serious money, people were buying it. That, So it got to the point when fairly used was no longer in vogue. People were now buying new stuff. So if you are dealing on fairly used, what should you do?
Upgrade.
If you are a businessman, what will you do?
Upgrade.
Huh?
Oh, switch.
Switch. Go back to the markets. Go and buy new stuff. Don't buy fairly used. Also, there's what we used to call tokumbo. Tokumbo car. In fact, everything tokumbo in Nigeria is fairly used. Okay? You know, Nigeria depends solely on importation. We import everything. Sometimes we even import the air we breathe.
I thought the government like banned us from importing.
Government hypocritically will say, "Oh, we have banned it," and then they will give it to one person to be imported.
Yeah, because I thought like Dangote provides everything.
Exactly.
So does he import them?
You are aware he does.
He does.
Yes. Yeah, he does. So that is one of the things going on in the country. All right. Ndewo. Ana m ahụ kiss expert ndewo. Ya dịkwara gị na mma. Anyị nọ na-akọwa ilu Igbo n'ụbọchị taa. Ilu nke anyị na-akọwa bụ akụbie egwu maọbụ nkwa onye ntị na-agba. All right. Ọkwa ya ghọtala ilu a? We have understood the words. We have understood the sentence. We have understood the meaning in it. And it's, you know, yeah, it's a lot of...
Can did the actual meaning.
Okay.
But don't...
A dead person dancing cannot hear the music. So.
The actual meaning.
Yes,
But we've said it in so many different ways.
Pay attention.
It's not that I forgot.
Because you need to be writing this when you yourself were saying it, because we said the meaning in different ways. So I'm going to be listing them all down. Okay, maybe the next time that's what I will do. Oluchi gave one meaning, right? You gave one meaning. Who else gave another meaning? We gave up to 4 meanings of the proverb. All right. So Biko, I know the meaning, even if you cannot write it in English, so that you mean Igbo, you can write it in English, okay? So that I don't spend much time writing a lot. On that dot come na kuzuri here.
So it's weak and it isn't.
All right. One other son in there wo. Bikini metraya kanibwe eji egosi ehonaya. I hope no itetere kinye nwa gara okwa ya. Kiss expert, my brother, ndewo. Kaila anya n'ilu nke ọzọ nke anyị ga-eje emechi. I think we are getting close to our end of class today. Anyị mụcha ihe ebe a, anyị ga-agawazi ebe anyị na-ada agba egwu. We'll start our rehearsals. Ihe anyị na-akwado ka nkụ. Wada sali ya. Ama m na itetere ka inye nwa gara. All right. Okay. Ilu nke cheta na onye nwere ihe o ji achụ aja, right? Ọkwa ya ka e mere izu gara aga. Ollie.
What about this one that says, "Wata ekweka mama ya laura, wasaka laura."
Nwata ekweghị ka nne ya hie ụra. Nwa ahụ agaghị ehi ụra, ọkwa ya? Ya ka ị na-akọ? Yes. All right. Ilu nke abụọ, nke atọ. Nke abụọ ka nke atọ, nke atọ. This is the second. I cleaned the first one.
The other one was from last week.
No. I think I cleaned the first one. Yeah. You are not writing it. It is a computer game. Class I will hink a computer unless you are typing it in your computer. Because I get lule. I am Kembo.
Oh, actually, man, give me right now, like before this third one was the second one, and I said yes.
So this word is mebo or mevo. Depends on both of them are acceptable in standard Igbo. Mebo na mevo. Okay. There were Wada, there were cakes expert. Ofiri. You're welcome. All right. Mebo emeboro ogara. Oh, sorry. Ogaranya. Mmebo emeboro ogaranya. Mmadụ niile. Why are you that far? Hold on.
What are you doing? That that's not heating. So
I know, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm better about. Mmebo emeboro ogaranya. Mmadụ niile. Ka ogbugbu egburu ya. Okay, well, I can take care easy. I know this is a little bit long. Mmebo emeboro ogaranya. Ka. I didn't say ka. Ka. And that is high tone, okay? Ogbugbu egburu ya. All right, we'll say it again. Mmebo emeboro ogaranya. Ka. Ogbugbu egburu ya. Want to go? Beautiful. All right. Kedu mkpụrụ okwu ndị anyị na-aghọta ebe a? Mmebo. Oh, mmevo. Okay, see ghọtara ya? Mebo. Emeboro. Okay, gịnị? Kedu mkpụrụ okwu ọzọ anyị na-aghọta? We know ọgaranya. Ọgaranya. Ka. Mhm. Ya.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Bu. Where is Bu? We don't have Bu here. Buru. Obubu, so we know Obubu.
No.
Chidera. You know Obubu, right? Okay. All right. So let's start looking at each individual word. Gina bu mebo.
Something bad too.
Something bad.
Well, mebo. Huh? Something bad.
Something like
Yeah.
able to like spoil something.
Spoil
Or
something.
to do something bad too.
To do something bad to.
Or inflict like harm. It's just something that's a negative word.
A negative word.
Influence.
Yeah, it
Influence.
can also be the influence. To do something
Influence.
bad too.
Okay.
Influence negative to influence
Okay.
negatively.
All right. I will explain it this way, and then we'll find a right word for it. Chidera. Harm. Good. Harm. I mean, all the things you are saying touch to it. Harm. Harming.
Oh, harm.
Mm-hmm.
Coming.
Insult. Mistreatment. Wanda, thank you. All right. We'll take insult. We'll take, but I will explain it this way, and then we'll also see if there's another word that fits in. So, mebo means, or not means, mebo suggests revealing someone's negativity. Does that mean something?
Yeah.
Exposing someone. That's why I wanted to explain it so that we put a word to it. Expose. Mebo is exposing.
Insult.
Insult is there, but the most appropriate word would be exposing. When you reveal someone's negativity, what somebody does or did in the secret, right? What are you doing to the person? You are exposing the person's faults, person's shortcomings. Okay?
I thought expose is like it goes serious something.
It's just to show.
Yes.
Expose
What
is
about
like
like to spoil something? Like not in the sense of spoiling food, but to spoil
yeah.
Mess up.
You are defaming someone. Is that what you tried to say? Spoil someone's image.
Yeah, image. What's the
That is exposing someone's negativity.
But like ultimately
To-
mebo is to like harm. Well, harm like she was saying, but not necessarily someone's name or Someone's demeanor.
to demean someone's personality. That's what that means. But this one, listen, this one is particular with what someone did or does. So when a person has something that they don't want the world to know, they don't want anybody to know, what is it called? A secret, right? Good. When you go and touch that secret, what are you doing?
Exposing.
Exposing. That's what you're doing. You are touching a person's secret. What acquire? Humiliating. Humiliation hurts a wealthy person. Yes, we are coming to the rest. Thank you, case expert. When you humiliate, we are coming to who is involved now, okay? Humiliate. Yeah, okay. All right. Remember here, exposing, humiliate. Those are two most appropriate words. Emeboro is the same word, right? Emeboro.
Just like verb.
Ogaraya. Who is Ogaraya? Somebody said they know.
Christopher.
Chidera, who is
A
Ogaraya?
person or an animal.
No. A wealthy
Person.
or influential
Person.
person. That's Ogaraya. You will hear this in the song where they say, God, Chukumemo Ogaraya, right? You don't?
Yeah.
Have you not heard the song that says, Ogaraya Ngaranga?
That has no correlation to what you just said.
That's what it means. An influential person, okay? Ogaraya.
I thought it was people.
Ngwa, what is ka?
God to be bigger than.
Better than, bigger than. Ka?
Huh?
Better than.
What's a
Better
better?
than.
What is a better?
Better than. Aye, mecha, I don't know about you. Not about you, no, not about you. Kerendio. Yeah, na roro. Imechala Zoom.
It's the same.
Okay.
Same thing. And
Yes, the rich and wealthy. Thank you, Wada. Thank you, Kiss Expert. Right. Ka means is better than. Okay? Better than what? Obubu. What is Obubu?
Poor person.
No. Obubu.
Commoner?
Obubu means killing.
oh no.
Oh.
Expose.
Exposing a wealthy person is better than killing
Killing.
someone.
Poor man.
No.
No, Ebu.
Obubu eburu ya.
The person they
Killing the
gave
killer.
him.
Eh?
Killing the killer.
Obubu eburu ya.
Killing
Wait.
that they killed.
The killing that they killed him.
What? Killer.
Yes.
The person they gave him.
It's not English.
So, exposing or humiliating a wealthy person is better than the killing that they killed him. All right. What it means is
I
that.
get it.
No, you don't.
It's like trying to say that exposing a wealthy person is better than killing. The killing him means
No.
the wealthy person
Now,
is
okay,
killed.
hold on. Now, better than in this proverb. I mean, sorry. Ka
Is it not the killing they killed him, right?
get it. Ka in this proverb is not better. Unfortunately, is worse than.
So he liked it.
Yeah, he did like that.
Because ka is greater than.
Yeah, I said greater than. It's here, better than.
Okay? So, sorry for my putting better than. It's my fault. Is greater than. Now, oh gosh. Greater in what?
Bad term.
Bad.
Bad.
So, ka in this context is greater than in the negative. So, which is what? One word.
Worse than.
Worse than.
Two.
All right? Two words rather. Bobro, in agente. All right. Genunti, we're rounding off. Genunti chidera. Humiliating or exposing a wealthy person is what? Worse than. Doing what? Killing them. What does that mean?
Oh.
Doing good.
Doing good.
Doing good is good.
Doing good is doing bad is
It's not about doing bad or whatever. This is about a wealthy person. This is about an influential person, yes?
Being truthful.
No, that's not necessarily.
Exposing someone's wrong deed.
Not even anybody.
Okay. Exposing a wealthy person's
Wrong deeds.
is better than.
It's worse.
Sorry, it's worse than you killing the person.
You killing the person.
Wait, I thought you're looking for the meaning.
Yes. You get what
What
it
are they
means.
saying?
No, this is the literal, which also is the meaning, because I'm going to tell you why it is also the meaning. Yes.
Are they saying that whatever they did, whatever their secret is so bad that you are actually relieving them of it whenever you kill them?
No.
So it means killing them is more better than you me.
A wealthy person does not want their secret to be what? Their reputation.
I'm saying, does it
So it's better than killing
It's better than you kill them.
Okay, then let's say the
I just said that,
other
though.
meaning.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, being honest is better than you joining them.
No, we are talking about a wealthy person. This has to do with reputation.
Mister, if someone is dead, people will just forget about the person.
And not only that, if they are
Jeffrey Epstein died.
dead by natural means, right?
Yeah.
They become heroes. Even if they had an accident, they become heroes. Keep that in there. I don't want it in the
Also
camera.
being wealthy.
Even if anything happened to them and they lose their life, they are also what? Heroes, because you don't talk bad of the dead. Now, when they are dead, do you flog them for their wrong deeds?
No.
Their secrets does what? Dies with them. Because nobody exposed that secret to harm their reputation, right?
So wait, exposing a wealthy person's bad reputation.
Not bad reputation now. Exposing a wealthy person's
Wrongdoing.
bad secrets, wrongdoing, is hurting their reputation, which is worse than killing them.
Mister, like they say that a woman always stays forever.
Yeah,
And someone says you done something bad and you didn't even do it. It's always
People, there's a stage a person will reach in life, okay? It's better their secrets die with them. It's better that the terrible things they do in life die with them than those things being exposed while they are alive.
Okay, so is that the other meaning? Like the
That is the meaning. And then, now, what it means is also that if you are a person that is perceived to be good, you should maintain that goodness. If you are not good and people perceive you to be good and you have secrets, remember that one day that secret might burst. And when it's exposed, it then means that your reputation has flattened. So the other proverb, which we are going to continue next week, okay? Your pictures can get on there. The other proverbs, this is going to be here for life.
no thanks.
Okay. That
Thanks.
supports this proverb is Ndị Igbo si na ezi aha ka gịnị ego. It is better to have a good reputation than just to be wealthy. Because when you are wealthy, you have a bad reputation that can be exposed tomorrow. Your wealth, everything can go. Do you know that it's worse to strip a rich person, a wealthy person of their riches and wealth is worse to them than just, okay? So, anyị na-ekele ndị niile nọnyere anyị n'ụbọchị taa. Natalie, Messia Trancas. Thank you, everybody that joined us. Nwada, Gena, Kiss Experts. Every Friday we are here doing this. Please, you can start going down for our rehearsal. We have a lot to do tonight, and we have some great food for you. So, every Friday we come here to talk in Proverbs. My students are young Igbo students, young adults, and they are growing outside of the Igbo land. And it is very, very important in Igbo land for an a person who is a native speaker to acquire the knowledge that comes from the proverbs and some other, thank you, Danny, and some other speeches. So what we're trying to do here is to use the simplest ways to explain the Igbo proverbs by explaining the individual words that make up the proverb. Please leave my class. You are disturbing me. Go down. I'm wrapping up. Go down. Please arrange your seats. Put them back. Oluchi, Dozio check it all. All right, Dozie no chuno. We don't leave without putting our seats back. So we do this every Friday, 8:30 Eastern Time, 6:30 Mountain Time. And I appreciate those who joined from Nigeria. It is 1:30 a.m. when we usually start. And on Monday, we're going to be taking up Igbo grammar. We're looking at Nocha. And on Saturday, we will be looking out for... It's okay, Danny. On Saturday, tomorrow, we'll be discussing Omenka, which is culture, Igbo culture. So today's class is usually 1 hour, 30 minutes. And I appreciate everybody that joined us, both on YouTube and on TikTok. And I will see you here talking about proverb again next week, Friday. Thank you, everybody that also gave us like. All right. See you next.